Alright, so instead of filming a video right now, I should probably be rushing, but I thought, let me actually film what happens when I do mess up my hair, which does happen fairly regularly. I don't think it's gonna look quite the same on camera as it looks in real life, but it's like gone. It looks kind of just like normal ginger on camera, but it's quite pink in places and like a weird like muddy mix. Let me see if I can get some daylight on it. Okay, see, it's like kind of pinky reddy up here, but like just in kind of highlights. Hang on, let me find like better lighting to show this. It's getting dark, so it's kind of difficult, but it's too bloody dark. Oh, it's no better down here. Hang on. Maybe the lounge light. Okay, I mean, it's still not really showing its full effect, but it's very patchy. I haven't fully dried it yet, but I can see what the issues are with it. It's got some weird tones going on. It's very patchy. It's kind of pink in some places, kind of brown. It's very muddy, and I don't like it. So I'm gonna try and fix it. Okay, so the way that it went this color is I mixed these 3 like gloss colors together, which never work. Like, they always just come out weird colors. So I need to give up the ghost on that. But solution, I got a ColorB4, which I might just leave on for a little bit because I don't want to like throw my hair, and it should come out easily. And then I've got 2 boxes of dark blonde right, instructions. Clean, dry hair. Okay, I need to dry my hair. Alright, hair is pretty dry. So the reason I'm rushing is because I should be going to bed soon, and it's work tomorrow, and I just really hate going into work with like hair that looks drastically different because I dye it so much. Like, I always get comments and it's just embarrassing. So I just wanna, also it will be like the comments of like, oh, I like your hair, and then have to be like, no, I didn't want it to look like that, and I'm gonna change it. And then you gotta explain, and then people are like, why, asking why I dye my hair, and then just have to justify my life decisions. It already smells bad. Oh, it smells so bad. Why does it smell worse than usual? It smells like sort of gone off tinned tuna and eggs and I don't know what else. I think the tin part is it smells kind of metallic. Alright, that is all on, and I'm gonna go grab a bag to put over the top. Alright, I'm gonna leave this like maybe 20 minutes and just see how it's doing because I don't need that much left, so yes. Alright, it's been 15 minutes and I'm just gonna take a cheeky check just to see how we're doing. Yeah, it's looking pretty red still, so I'll leave it alone. Right, half an hour has fully occurred. Let's see. Okay, it's looking a lot lighter, so I'm gonna go for it. Right, I'm just gonna wash this out with the buffer and then wash it normally and blow dry and come back and do the dark blonde dip. Okay, this is freshly washed and I will go dry it. Okay, let it be known that drying my hair is not a pleasure at all. Okay, I have some very brassy hair, so next step is to dye it dark blonde. So yeah, I've just got this dark blonde one here. Right, second bottle. Alright, it's all on and I will leave it for half an hour and we'll see. Okay, it's the next day. I ran out of time to film last night. I literally got like 5 hours sleep, but yeah, okay, this is not blonde. This was meant to be dark blonde, but I'm actually quite happy with it. It's not my best job ever, but like I felt a lot happier rocking this than the like weird sort of mixed pink from before. So yes, that is my very quick little go-to routine when I mess up my hair. Colour remover and then like a dark blonde box dye. So yeah, I'll just show you the back. But yeah, just a quick one. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed me slightly salvaging that. Alright, lots of love. Bye.